Hey guys, it's Lego Boys 421, and I'm gonna show you a fast review on two action figures. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Sorry about the I'm moving the camera too much, but here, I'm just getting his helmet. And here, let's see the helmet on. It's just a normal clone base, two pistols, and yeah. I like the micro binoculars a lot. Some light detail, two pistols on the side, and a rifle. I'll just zoom out. And here's Clone Super Eyes. It's actually kind of cool. Republic. I'm just zooming on the Republic. That was just a security guard sound. And another one on the side. Same for fire. Zooming. Here over there. Nothing. Yeah. Thanks, Lego Boy.